What if the secret to a healthier, more beautiful home isn't a new piece of furniture or expensive decor, but the right plant in the right room? Imagine waking up in a calming bedroom oasis, relaxing in a lush, tropical living room, cooking with fresh herbs from your kitchen, and working in an office filled with vibrant greenery. Today, we're revealing the best indoor plants for every room of your home, along with their care tips and amazing benefits. Stay until the end, because some of these plants are surprisingly easy to grow and can completely transform your space. Bedroom Plant 1. Snake Plant. The snake plant is one of the most popular bedroom plants for a reason. Its tall, sword-like leaves create a clean and modern appearance that fits almost any decorating style. Many homeowners place snake plants near beds, dressers, or bedroom corners because they require very little maintenance and continue looking attractive throughout the year. Their upright growth habit also makes them ideal for smaller bedrooms where floor space is limited. Caring for a snake plant is incredibly simple. It thrives in bright indirect light but can also tolerate low light conditions better than many other houseplants. Water only when the soil becomes completely dry, usually every 2 to 4 weeks depending on your indoor climate. Overwatering is the most common mistake, so always check the soil before adding water. Use a well-draining potting mix and a container with drainage holes to keep roots healthy. The benefits extend beyond appearance. Snake plants help create a relaxing atmosphere and are excellent choices for busy plant owners. If you want a stylish, low-maintenance plant that looks great year-round, the snake plant is one of the best options for any bedroom. Bedroom Plant 2. Peace Lily. Peace lily is known for its elegant white blooms and lush green leaves that instantly bring sophistication to a bedroom. This plant creates a soft and calming environment, making it a favorite choice for people who want a peaceful retreat after a long day. Its graceful appearance complements both modern and traditional bedroom decor styles. Peace lilies prefer medium to bright indirect light and should be protected from harsh direct sunlight. The soil should remain lightly moist but never waterlogged. Water when the top inch of soil begins to dry and increase humidity if your home has particularly dry air. Regularly removing faded flowers and damaged leaves will help maintain a healthy and attractive plant. One of the greatest benefits of a peace lily is the visual tranquility it adds to a room. The combination of glossy leaves and beautiful white flowers creates a soothing focal point that can make any bedroom feel more welcoming. For homeowners seeking a flowering plant that's both beautiful and relatively easy to care for, the peace lily is an excellent choice that delivers year-round appeal and elegance. Bedroom Plant 3. ZZ Plant. The ZZ plant has become one of the most recommended indoor plants because of its incredible durability and attractive glossy foliage. Its thick stems and shiny leaves create a polished appearance that looks fantastic in bedrooms, apartments, and homes with limited natural light. Many people choose ZZ plants because they continue thriving even when occasionally neglected. This plant performs well in low, medium, or bright indirect light, making placement extremely flexible. Water every 2 to 3 weeks, allowing the soil to dry thoroughly between waterings. The ZZ plant stores water in its underground rhizomes, helping it survive occasional missed watering sessions. A well-draining potting mix and proper drainage are essential for healthy growth. The benefits of the ZZ plant include its remarkable resilience and ability to maintain a lush appearance with minimal effort. Busy homeowners, frequent travelers, and beginner gardeners often find this plant nearly impossible to kill. Its glossy leaves reflect indoor light beautifully, brightening dark corners and creating a clean, contemporary atmosphere. If you're searching for a plant that combines beauty, toughness, and low maintenance, the ZZ plant is hard to beat. Living Room Plant 1. Rubber Plant. The rubber plant is a stunning statement plant that can instantly elevate the appearance of a living room. Its large, glossy leaves create a bold visual impact while adding rich green color to the space. Whether placed beside a sofa, near a window, or in an empty corner, the rubber plant helps make a room feel more vibrant and inviting. For best growth, place the plant in bright, indirect light. Water when the top few inches of soil feel dry and avoid letting the roots sit in water. Dust can accumulate on the broad leaves, so wiping them regularly keeps the plant healthy and looking its best. Consistent temperatures and protection from cold drafts will encourage steady growth. One major benefit of the rubber plant is its dramatic decorative value. As it matures, it can grow into an impressive indoor tree that serves as a natural focal point. Its bold foliage works beautifully in modern, minimalist, and tropical-inspired interiors. Homeowners who want a large, eye-catching plant that delivers year-round greenery often choose the rubber plant as a centerpiece for their living room plant too. Fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig has become one of the most recognizable indoor plants in modern interior design. Its large violin-shaped leaves create a luxurious appearance that instantly enhances living rooms. Designers frequently use this plant to add height, texture, and natural beauty to indoor spaces. This plant thrives in bright filtered light and prefers a consistent environment. Water when the top inch of soil becomes dry, and avoid frequently moving the plant from one location to another. Sudden environmental changes can stress the plant and cause leaf drop. Rotating the pot every few weeks encourages even growth and a balanced shape. The fiddle leaf fig's biggest advantage is its ability to transform a room's appearance. Even a simple living room can look stylish and sophisticated with a healthy fiddle leaf fig standing in a decorative container. While it requires slightly more attention than some houseplants, the visual reward is substantial. For homeowners seeking a dramatic indoor tree that creates an upscale atmosphere, the fiddle leaf fig remains one of the most popular and rewarding choices available. Living room plant 3. Monstera monstera is beloved for its large tropical leaves featuring unique natural splits and holes. These dramatic leaves create a jungle-inspired aesthetic that instantly brings life and energy into a living room. As the plant matures, its foliage becomes even more impressive, making it a favorite among indoor plant enthusiasts. Monsteras prefer bright, indirect light and moderate watering. Allow the top portion of the soil to dry before watering again. They appreciate moderate humidity and can benefit from occasional misting in dry environments. Providing a moss pole or support structure encourages vertical growth and larger leaves. The benefits of Monstera extend beyond its beauty. Its bold foliage creates a relaxing tropical atmosphere that helps make indoor spaces feel warm and welcoming. It also fills empty corners effectively, making large rooms feel more complete. Because of its relatively easy care requirements and spectacular appearance, Monstera has become one of the most sought-after houseplants for living rooms worldwide. Kitchen plants, basil, rosemary, and mint. The kitchen is the perfect place for herbs because they combine beauty with functionality. Basil, rosemary, and mint not only add greenery but also provide fresh ingredients for everyday cooking. Having these herbs within reach encourages healthier meals and adds delightful fragrance throughout the kitchen. Basil thrives in sunlight and requires consistently moist soil. Regular harvesting encourages bushier growth and a larger harvest. Rosemary prefers plenty of sunlight and slightly drier soil conditions. It benefits from well-draining soil and occasional pruning. Mint grows quickly and enjoys consistently moist soil. Because it spreads aggressively, it is often best grown in its own container. The benefits of kitchen herbs are remarkable. Fresh herbs improve the flavor of meals, reduce grocery expenses, and provide pleasant natural aromas. Their vibrant green foliage also enhances kitchen decor while creating a fresh, garden-inspired atmosphere. Whether you're preparing pasta, tea, soups, or salads, having basil, rosemary, and mint nearby adds convenience and enjoyment to your daily cooking experience. Office plants. Aloe vera. Spider plant and pothos, a productive workspace, becomes even more enjoyable with the addition of indoor plants. Aloe vera, spider plant, and pothos are excellent office choices because they are attractive, adaptable, and easy to maintain. Their greenery helps soften office environments and creates a more pleasant place to work. Aloe vera thrives in bright, indirect light and requires infrequent watering. Allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Spider plants prefer bright, indirect light and moderate watering. Their arching leaves and baby plantlets add visual interest to desks and shelves. Pothos grows successfully in various lighting conditions and produces trailing vines that look beautiful on bookcases, filing cabinets, or hanging baskets. These plants offer numerous benefits for office environments. They bring natural beauty into workspaces, reduce the sterile feel of electronics-filled rooms, and require very little maintenance. Their versatility allows them to fit almost any office layout. Whether you work from home or in a professional office, aloe vera, spider plant, and pothos can help create a greener, more inviting environment that supports focus, creativity, and comfort throughout the workday. Now it's your turn! Which room in your home needs a plant upgrade the most? Whether you choose a resilient snake plant for your bedroom, a dramatic fiddle leaf fig for your living room, fresh herbs for your kitchen, or easy care pothos for your office, the right plant can completely transform your space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more indoor gardening tips, plant care guides, and home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.